Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Discord is a fun platform to chat and hang out with friends, but it can get frustrating when it keeps logging you out for no reason. In today's video, we'll show you how to face this problem in just few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, before trying anything else, make sure Discord servers are up and running. If the servers are down, you might face login issues. You can check their status page for any reports of outage. Next, check if your account has been compromised. If you think someone else is using your account, go ahead and change your password on PC. Go to the bottom left corner, click the gear icon to open your user settings and head to the My Account tab. Here, click on Change Password, enter your old password and set up a new one. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you have connected third-party apps to Discord, they could be causing the issue. In Discord user settings, go to the authorized apps and click deauthorize next to any apps you no longer need. If you're using a VPN, Discord might flag your connections as unreliable, causing repeated logouts. Try disabling your VPN and see if that resolves the issue. Another thing, try to clearing the Discord app is cache. On your PC, press Windows plus R, type percentage, app data percentage, and press enter. From there, open the Discord folder and delete the code cache and GPU egg folders. On Android, you can clear the cache by going the app info page and tapping clear cache. If the problem persists, check if there is an update for the Discord app. A newer version might fix the issue. Alternatively, you can uninstall and reinstall Discord to clear out any corrupted data. Finally, if you're using Discord on a browser, check your browser settings. If cookies are set to clear every time you exit, you'll need to be disable that feature. In Chrome, go to Chrome settings, cookies, and turn off clear cookies and site data when you close all windows. And that is it. Try these steps, and Discord should stop logging you out. Let us know in the comments if this worked for you or not. If you have worked any other troubleshooting tips, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next one.